Mabarothi aya maugite makoretwo makirumirira wira wa President Kenyatta gwa kahinda karaya na makahura mukonde ati ni mani anyitite itemi hari gukuria wonjoria wa bururi. Kweherio kwa mihinga ya wonjoria gatagati ka mabururi ni umwe wa maria President akoretwo agikinyanira na njira nene nigetha onjoria hamwe na muingi wa Kenya ugunike. Nake President Kenyatta ugite ati unyitaniri o hamwe na kweherio kwa mawatho makuru no yo njira ya gukuria thuguri gatagati ka mabururi.
Capacity building assistance is therefore necessary for us to all increase our productivity. And for trade, AFT will go a long way to address supply side and trade related infrastructure obstacles which constrains our ability to engage in international trade.
Ishera-ini riri, President niacemanitie na onjoria a bururi wa Belgium o hamwe na Kenya aria mari bururi-ini uyu. Handu-ini ha ceceni ya Inooro TV, njitagwo Njuguna Wang'ang'a.